Sensor is used for detecting the density of light. When the LDR sensor detects the density of light, when the light increases, the value will increase in the LCD display, and when the density of the light decreases, the value will be increased in the LCD display.
Good morning. Today we have created a circuit in which the display will show that LED on when obstacle is near, and it will show LED off when obstacle is not there. You can see that here the LED is on when an obstacle is near, and it shows.
So this is our code. We had used C++ code here. This is our new project name object detecting. We had used here Arduino Uno, LCD and IR sensors. So when we place our hand in the front of IR, it detects the object saying obstacle yes. It is the code we had used here to find the object present in the front of IR.
And he is Bibil. We are going to demonstrate our project on measuring the distance with the ultrasonic sensor. We have used CP, which we can see that it measures the distance.
That my hand and this sensor only has 3 centimeter difference, so it can measure accurate centimeter distance on according to the code we have set in here.
LCD to the Arduino Uno. Now we can see that it is 47 centimeter. When I place the hand, it is now 3 centimeters, and moving forward, it comes to 26.
I would really like to thank our staff for this incredible 2-day AI workshop, and we are all really lucky to have this opportunity to attend this workshop, and it was really useful, and it helped us, all of us, each and every one of us sitting here to gain knowledge from every different aspects of AI, which we were new to. Many of the concepts were so new to us, and for such an incredible and wonderful session, once again, thank you from every one of us.
A lot from this section, and we can also learn about many things about robotics, and it's a new exposure to us in the world of robotics.
This has been a very great experience for all of us, and we have been able to do hands-on projects like this, like we are doing right now, and have the relaxation.
Well, I thought this session will be just okay, but it's more than...
It was a wonderful experience for us. It was a wonderful experience for us to know about these things. We don't know too much about that, now we know. It was also a wonderful experience. We studied new things from these things.